Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany and today we are cleaning. It is my day off and the title is Cleaning with Me or Clean with Me when there's no motivation to clean because sadly enough our dog has been very sick and we have been going on no sleep or a good night's sleep for the last so many weeks. So I really felt like just watching YouTube today and watching Netflix, but I needed to get some cleaning done. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you love cleaning videos as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up and let's just get to it. This couch is like seriously so old, you guys. It's literally falling apart, if you can see. And this is really funny. You can't really see me cracking up, but I'm cleaning up all of those socks that are in the couch because that is totally me. I kick my socks off at night and yeah, I found all of my socks that were missing. So this just needed to be really cleaned and we are planning on getting a new couch soon. So please excuse the fact that it's basically literally falling apart.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating. We have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can't go on again. 'Cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge.
One thing else I just wanted to mention is this vacuum cleaner. We had the old Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner that lasted me forever. It finally broke and then I had to get a new one. So I picked this one up. It's like a smaller size at Target. It is seriously like the worst vacuum cleaner I've ever had. So I do need to get a new one, but I'm just kind of waiting. So you can't really see the frustration of how much I hate this vacuum cleaner because it literally does not do a good job. But yeah, I don't know. Do you guys have any good suggestions for a good vacuum cleaner that we can use on the hardwood and then a little bit of carpet? Because if you do, please leave them in the comments below because I literally hate this vacuum cleaner.
Is it all lost? We can't go on again. 'Cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge. And I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. flashing light keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. Summer love, oh I wish I could rewind it. Only us, oh I left you when we were blinded. Now time is up, and we tried so hard to fight it, but we knew we couldn't fight it. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get some love. You and me, we kept on riding in your arms. The only place I wanna hide, yeah. I give it up. All for you, baby, keep trying, but the city's getting crowded. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth 'cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fight. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Now you're making it so hard. Now you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard.
And that's gonna do it for today, I think. So I have some things I need to do. So I'm wrapping up the cleaning for today. I feel good about what I got done, and I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. And I will see you guys soon. Bye. It's like an upgraded business. You mess me up and I miss it.